Good afternoon, lecturers. Today we'll be presenting to you our analysis about the trend of COE transactions.
For business question 3.1, I'll be sharing with you the overall COE quota trend for all categories from years 2002 to 2017. Our team has represented our data in a line chart, including the trend lines for each of the categories. From the chart, it is observed that the general COE quota trend fluctuates throughout the years for all categories. The notable points on the trend line are from years 2006 to 2010, where there is a steep decline in COE quota, and in years 2014 to 2016, where there is a sharp spike in COE quota. For the years 2006 to 2010, possible causes could be the economic crisis that has happened in 2008 and 2009, which resulted a sharp decrease in the numbers of cars leased, whereas for years 2014 to 2016, it could be due to the increase in demand for cars, leading to the corresponding increase in quota.
In business question 3.2, we analyze the COE premium of all categories from year 2002 to 2017 in the following sub-questions. In question 3.2.1, we identified the category premium which showed the greatest increase in terms of average premium compared to other categories and the possible reasons contributing to this increase. From the chart, we can see that category E in green showed the greatest increase in terms of average premium compared to the other categories as it has the steepest upward trend line. This is backed up by the R-square value. R-square value is a statistical measure of how close the data are to the fitted regression line. In general, the higher the R-square value, the better the model fits the observed data. Category E's R-square value is the lowest amongst all the categories at 49.2%. This means that the observed average premium deviated the furthest away from the predicted average premium value. One reason could be due to high demand, which causes the COE prices to increase. Demand is affected by economical climates such as inflation or recession and the launching of new vehicles. As such, prices of COE increase, causing the upswing of quota premium, resulting in higher average premium. In question 3.2.2, we identified the category that has decreased or remained constant in terms of average premium compared to other categories and the possible underlying reasons for it. Category D in light blue remained relatively constant in terms of average premium compared to other categories. Its R-square value is the highest amongst the category at 77.1%. This means that the observed average premium has deviated the least from the predicted average premium value. One reason could be the match between demand and supply of cars. When new cars are launched, the government supplied enough quota for bidding, matching supply with demand. As such, COE prices are relatively stable with little fluctuation. Even though category D is relatively constant, there is a sharp increase in the average premium from year 2013 onwards. As shown, year 2013 is the point of anomaly. Its value is the furthest away from the regression line. This sharp increase could be due to a larger demand for cars compared to the available quota of cars supplied by the government.
In the question 3.2.3, we have identified the category with the highest number of transactions and the category with the lowest number of transactions. We have also found out that these connections related to the pricing of the category. In the graph, the number of completed transactions are represented as successful bids. As observed from the graph, we have identified that category A has the highest bid success, 59,320 in the year of 2006, whereas category C has the lowest number of bids successful in the year of 2012 with 4,176. By comparing the number of successful bids with the pricing of the different categories over the years, we have discovered that the number of successful bids is inversely related to the premium pricing of the category. An example of this relationship can be seen in the year 2005, where the number of big success is at its peak, whereas the average premium is at its lower at one of its lowest compared to the other years.
For business question 3.3, I'm going to compare and identify patterns observed quarterly from 2002 to 2017. I have drawn the time series in quarters and plotted it in this graph. I will now proceed to use this graph to explain economical situations that is affecting car sales in Singapore. I have used dimensions vehicle class and year broken down in quarters and place it in the columns, and average bids for success for measures and place it in rows. Bid successes represents the number of successfully bidded COEs, which is also the same as the number of newly bought cars. I added year quarters to colors to differentiate the 4 quarters of the year. I have also added vehicle class to filters, allowing me to specifically single out a certain category for a clearer view of the graph. For this question, I will be talking about the most popular vehicle class, category A. The first decade of the 21st century ended with a bleak world economic outlook following the 2008 to 2009 global financial crisis, which was headlined by the collapse of American investment bank Lehman Brothers in September 2008. By the third quarter of 2008, the banking crisis in the United States and its ripple effect had greatly stressed the Singapore economy, causing it to be the first country in East Asia to succumb to recession. It was hailed as Singapore's worst ever recession. As you can see from the graph, car sales started declining rapidly from 2008 and hit an all-time low in the second quarter of 2013. It is safe to assume that this is the result of the global financial crisis that led Singapore into a major recession. Because having a car in Singapore is more like a luxury rather than a necessity, many people would not want to purchase a liability or just simply could not afford to. To help Singapore businesses and workers cope with the economic downturn, the government pledged 2.9 billion Singapore dollars in November 2008 and a further 20.5 billion Singapore dollars resilient package in January 2009. As the economy is recovering slowly, it is only the fourth quarter of 2013 that car sales began to pick up. This could be attributed to the expansion of the Singapore economy.
Motor vehicle owners should choose to extend the lifespan of their vehicles after 10 years. This is because the average premium prices have been decreasing since 2013, as seen in the graph. As mentioned in today's online article regarding 2017 COE prices is said to have decreased by 2.66% for small cars. Hence, it is more affordable for car owners to extend the lifespan of their vehicles after 10 years. According to the graph seen, the average premium COE prices have decreased by 76,701 to 63,726 and further decreased to 50,854 in 2016, making it more affordable for car owners to extend the lifespan of their vehicles after 10 years as the prices have decreased by 20,000. So it is seen that the COE premium from 2016 to 2017 is relatively constant with a minor decrease of $127, making it affordable for vehicle owners to continue to renew their vehicles after 10 years. Also, as seen in the Business Times article, the COE prices will be decreasing by another 10,000 in 2018 due to higher car prices as the new anti-pollution plan is being carried out in 2018. All in all, as seen by the evidences that the COE prices have been decreasing and is relatively constant, motor vehicles should definitely extend the lifespan of their vehicles after 10 years.